Yeah man, KFC Sunday for me. Every Sunday man I come and say no. Yeah man. My favorite fast food place. From your boy until now, brother. Yeah man. But one thing you know, you're gonna make a report to KFC, you know. Why when you say the place open 10 o'clock a Sunday morning time and Sunday you come at 10 o'clock, we have to wait until to 11 before we start get the chicken, brother. Yes, Iyah. Yeah, everybody are complaining. We come early morning time. Because I'm come here on Sunday morning time. I'm not busy when anybody wants to say, you know. I'm not busy when nobody wants to talk about say fast food thing not good for people, you know. But I need my KFC chicken, you know. From your boy until now. And I give me no side effect. Just like how some people smoke cigarette and you see it and to affect them on a level. But I know say, what me I say still, we love KFC, brother. Yeah, man. Especially hot and spicy breast them. Yeah. Yeah, man. Especially hot and spicy breast them. I just love KFC. Yeah, man. Big up to Burger King. Big up to Mothers, TST, Juicy Beef, Popeyes. Big up to all the other fast food places them. But no fast food place to me like KFC. Yeah man. From your boy until now. Yeah. KFC Sunday, brother. Every Sunday morning 10 o'clock. Yeah, a KFC me there. Yeah man. KFC me a video. My favorite fast food place.
Oh.
Yeah man.
Promote it.
Yeah man, from your boy until now. But one thing I like though, we not get no free drinks again. Why we not get no free drinks? Eh? Yes no. You understand me? We want me free drinks now, brother. We want to drink 10 cup of drinks inside there, you know. And from COVID come and gone, you know, we start giving free drinks. We want the refill. And I see 1 cup of drinks can't work for me, brother. Yeah, man. See me I'm big bed park up. Park up big bed, yes, you know. The wait again. What time now? 10:15 now and KFC in what mate? On say 10 o'clock. See the woman inside there. The wipe down glass there. The wipe down glass inside there. She know me doing videoing. See the wipe down glass there. You understand me? Yeah man. This is Champion Plaza. Yeah man. Boy, I never know what my life to see all them sitting in Falmouth. God know. He tell us my hometown Falmouth. I not start promoting. Yes, Iyah. So, I not make a video run too long, you know. But more on the world for know, so KFC. From your boy, I am KFC. People say fast food not good for you, but boy, I tell you from your boy, I am KFC. I now give me no side effect for now. So KFC until death. Until death those part Mr. KFC. Until death those part. I now start name KFC chicken, brother. You see it? Especially hot and spicy. And the hot and spicy breast. Because I'm a breast specialist, you know. I love breast, you know. Yeah man. So give me my KFC hot and spicy breast 24/7. Yes, Iyah. KFC Sunday. More on the world if you know that. I'm not busy with man who cuss and talk about this and that, man. We go cook about every Sunday morning with their KFC. As long as I'm there Falmouth, it's gonna be KFC Sunday for me. Every Sunday I will be at KFC 10 o'clock in the morning time. Yeah man. I just let me start my week, you know. KFC Sunday. Yes, Iyah. I'm out.